If you want to see how surfboard dings are fixed professionally, this is the place. This is starboard stand-up paddleboard with a large ding. The first step is to clean debris with a router and sand the area.
Been so crazy too, to think your love was mine, serenading to sinking moons.
Fill in the hole with an epoxy micro balloon mix.
As our love was slowly turning blue.
Second step is to sand it with a 60 grit sandpaper and apply carbon fiber, as this is a carbon fiber board.
Believe that thing is true. Believe that thing you said.
Using a fabric called peel ply will give better results. Using masking tape on the peel ply to squeeze the carbon into the board gives a stronger, thinner outer layer.
Seasons have come and gone, and I'm yours still. But this love is my song unsung.
Third and last step for the repair is the finish. Apply another layer of epoxy, and after it hardens, sand it. After I sand the last layer, I finish it all with acrylic 2 part paint and gluing the deck pad back to place.
To see your life drifting down the stream, see the star turn black. Morning came, darling, days will come when you're all new. Yes, this love is your...
Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. I may be using this AI voice, but I'm a real person. My name is Alan Lahack, and I am here on Instagram or Facebook.
This town